Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how can we do hide a profile backlink for our website. It's help our site to get ranked very fast. Now what is hide a profile backlink? For the example, you are a business owner. Let's say you own a dry clean business. Your business has an address, a phone number, an email address, and even a blog where you share tips and tricks for taking better care of your clothes. Hide a profile backlink are online mention of your company, linked or unlinked, which include your business address, contact information, and some cases your website. Now, here we go for practical. I have some listed site here where we can do our profile backlink, something like that. Okay, we will go for discuss.com. We'll go for discuss.com. Go here. Okay. At first, you have to registration for this site. I have already been registered, so I will log in it. You have to log in with your email and password. Okay, go here. Now here you can see you have already a profile here. Now view profile. I already have an account transgo.ins, so you have to do edit profile. Okay, now here your company logo have to upload here. Okay, I will go for it. Here is my company logo. Okay, company name, you have to give company name here, biography or short description from your biography, website, location, full location of your company site, then save it. Okay, now we can see our profile is ready for it, but where you can see it, go here and see. Okay, here is our site where we can see our backlinks. Here is your backlinks where we can see your short description, your company full address, your company site. Here your company, and there's the full version of your company backlink. It's a very powerful backlink. It's very easy but very powerful backlink. You can try it for your site SEO rank. Okay, we will go for gravatar.com. It's another site where we can make our site profile link. Okay, you have to sign in there. You have registered there, but if you have already an account, you can sign in there. I have already an account. Okay, we are in. Okay, here you can see my listed it already in here, so you can see my logo and my rating there. Go there, it's my logo, confirm there. You can see here the rating also. Here we go. Here we can see your short description here, your company email here, your company phone number is here, here is your company logo, and it is the main site of your company. You can see if you click there you will go to your main site. So that's the process of get backlink from high DA profile backlink. You can assure that from DA checker if it's high DA or not high DA site. So check it. This DA is 93. It's a good backlink for your site, 100%. So make it for your site. It will help to get rank to your site for sure. Bye. See you next video. Bye bye.